Good afternoon, my lovers. Oh, I'm back out again. That's 3 days now on the trot. Right, I'm going to head off to the home fields. I got new permission, but it's got like multiple fields. So I'm going to go off to a brand new field today. It's close to a Roman villa, so I'm hoping that I might find some Roman artifacts. That'd be nice. Nice Roman brooch or a few Roman gold coins would be lovely. Right, so let's see if we can find some Roman gold. Woohoo! I've arrived! Ah, yes, it's lovely and cool today. It's got to be about 4 or 5 degrees cooler, and it's actually nice and pleasant. I can't stand it when it's boiling hot. Can you? Well, probably you're stuck in an office all day and you know, air conditioning, lovely. Well, I'm a gardener and I'm out in it all the time, so I prefer it to be a bit cooler. Right, I've got a lovely sweet signal down here. Oh, I put money on that being a coin. Yeah, a bit of dark soil just there. Ah, there she blows. Is it a coin? It is. It's a coin. Ooh, it's a bit toasty. Let's give it a rub on the magic trousers and it will be transformed into a beautiful coin. Well, there again. I think it's King George. You can just see his bust. Let's have a look, see if Britannia's on the back. This side's worser. Can't see much at all on that side. Right, I'll give it a rub-a-dub-dub and I'll get back to you. Oh, yeah, it's a very toasty, this one. You just about see a bust and that's it. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got another sweet signal just here. Oh, another coin. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. It's popped out. Oh, looks like another George. Oh, toasted a bit as well, this one. Oh dear. You must have had some nasty piddle in this field. Animals, what the animals do is when they have a piddle, if it's a wet day, you know, boggy, and they piddle directly onto the coin, it can stay in that whittle for like weeks, and it dissolves the coin. Yeah, I can just about see Britannia, but this one's in much worse a condition. Ugh. On to the next. Cool, I just dug this up. Looks quite old. Got a little notch there. And one on the other side. Looks quite old. Is it part of a Roman brooch? Don't know. Yeah, it's got these two little notches there and there. One notch on that side, and it might have had another notch there. But yeah, it looks quite old. It's got this curious little dent there. Looks like old metal. What do you think, my lovers? On to the next. Cool, I've got a lovely signal just here. Not much on the screen. a sweet signal. Oh, I think I can see it. It looks like a coin. Just there. Yeah, I think that's a coin. It's just started to rain, which is nice. Ugh. Not another toasted one. Ugh. Give it a rub on the magic trousers, it might transform it. There again, it might not. I'm going to have to give this a clean up, and I'll get back to you. Unfortunately, this is a coin of almost complete nothingness. Can't see anything on there at all. It's totally wasted. On to the next. Oh, we just found this. A medieval pot mend. So there's old stuff here. It's just a matter of finding it. Well, I'm going to try and move to an area now where there's probably find a bit more in the way of stuff, because it's a bit quiet in the part of the field I've been doing. On to the next. Oh, I saw a nail sticking out the side of the wall. Out the hole, you know, the side. And I yanked it. And this came out with it. A huge buckle. There we go. Huge. Huge buckle. I haven't seen one like that before. It's a bit fancy, isn't it? On to the next. Of course, buttons everywhere around here. It's a funny looking shank. Is that a pewter button? Sticks right up. Well, it did do. On to the next. Go, look at this cracking signal I got here. A bit loud. Only on 22. Let's try that. That's better. Oh, let's get you closer to the action. Oh, what's that there? Oh, that was it. Yeah, another one. Another old penny. Ugh, it's grotty, this one. Ugh, it's a pity I ain't got a cow trough in this field. I'll just have to clean them up later for the roundup. No, can't see a date on that one. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got another coin. Oh, what's this one going to be? A ship halfpenny? Possibly. Oh, they are grotty in here. Look at the state of that. I'm going to have to give all these a bit of a clean later, a bit of a scrub with the toothbrush, methinks. Oh, look what I got here. I think it's a toy. Oh, is that part of it? Or just mud? No, it's just mud. Oh, there's not much left of it. The wheels are gone. Yeah, there's no wheels. But it looks old. How about that, look? That's got to be... What's that, an Austin 7? Is it an Austin or a Rolls Royce? Let's see if there's any rubber in there. No, can't see any rubber. I think it's dissolved away. What's that there? No, there's no rubber. Right, does it say anything underneath? Oh, no. Ah, that's got it. Right. No, can't see any writing. Oh well. Anyway, it's an old car. Look, it's a coupe. Look, the roof goes up. Right. On to the next. Oh, look at them pesky power lines. Oh, I got a signal down here. It's a really sweet one. Let's get the detector. It's in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, at least it's a coin and not another pesky button. Oh, looks like an older one. Oh, looks very smooth. Oh, very smooth. Oh, yes. Look how smooth that one is. Let's try and get some of this gunge off. Right. Yeah, oh, there's a line on the bottom. Looks old. Right, I might go and get this one cleaned up because it might be quite an old coin. But it's very smooth. Unfortunately, this coin is smoother than Brad's bottom. No features on it at all, which is a shame because it looks like quite an old coin. Oh well, on to the next. Oh, I got something in here. Right there. Oh, it's not a pesky button, is it? Oh, it's buttons everywhere here. Yeah, just another pesky button. Ah! Oh, look at this lovely signal I got here. Oh, I put money on that being a coin. Oh, it's definitely a coin. Gotta be. It's gotta be. Oh, here she blows. Is it a Victorian? It might be a Victoria. It's got that sort of greeniness about it. Oh, no, it's not. It's another one of those. I might have another 1933. When I get them all cleaned up for the roundup, we'll have to see. On to the next. Oh, I've just found it, my lovers. The find of the day. Yes. I've never found one of these before. It's a lead battleship. It's a battleship. A lead one. It wouldn't float very well, would it? How about that? A lead battleship. Now that has got to be unusual. Oh, a bit broke off there. Look how thin it is. That must be off a board game or something like that, I suppose. It's got a flat bottom, look. Let me think now. Does it looks like a First World War battleship? Oh, how about that? a battleship. On to the next. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm dying. I gotta go off to the pub for some jars of ale. But before I go, we got 1, 2, 3 pennies. Unfortunately, none of them are 1933. Yeah, I cleaned them up, but I couldn't find the prime date. We got 2 halfpennies. We got an oxen shoe for when cows had horse shoes. We got buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Got a lovely bit of medieval pottery. Probably a 1,000-year-old bit of pot. We got Kakapoo, we got a buckle, we got that thing. I've just noticed on here, as I was giving it a bit of a clean, that there's a metal pin just there, look. So it might be some sort of medieval strap end or something. Right, I'll get that checked out. We got some toasted coins. We got that thing. We got a pot mend, when they used to mend their pots with lead. We got an Austin 7, I think. Even the landowner thinks it might be an Austin 7. Did I say the huge buckle? Oh, we got lots of Kakapoo. And the find of the day, for sure, is my Battleship. I haven't found a Battleship metal detecting before. I've given it a bit of a straighten. Yeah, it's a Battleship. Woohoo! Oh, so that's me cream crackered. Right, where's the pub? I want some jars of ale. Cheers!
And gently drops the rain. I have never had but one true love. In greenwood he lies slain. I'll do so much for my true love as I